Welcome to Profit Potential. Building a six-figure business while holding down a full-time job might sound like an impossible feat, but with the right approach, it's not only possible, it's becoming more common. Many successful entrepreneurs started their side businesses while still working for someone else. And by following a strategic plan, you can do the same. The key to growing a business without quitting your job is time management, prioritization, and focusing on the right actions. In this guide, we'll show you how you can create and scale a successful business, even with the demands of a 9-to-5 job. The first thing to understand is that building a six-figure business is a marathon, not a sprint. You won't achieve success overnight, but if you consistently put in the effort, you'll make steady progress. The most important step is to identify a profitable business idea that aligns with your skills and interests. Since you're balancing your business with a job, it's crucial to choose something you're passionate about. This passion will keep you motivated when time is limited and energy runs low. Look for ideas that can generate income and have the potential to scale, such as e-commerce, digital products, consulting, or online services. Once you've settled on a business idea, start small and test the waters. You don't need to invest a huge amount of money up front. In fact, it's often better to begin with a lean, low-cost approach and test your idea in the market. Start by offering your products or services to a small audience, whether through word of mouth, social media, or online marketplaces. Use this initial phase to gather feedback, refine your offering, and ensure there's real demand for what you're providing. By starting small, you minimize risk while gaining valuable insights that will help you grow more effectively. The next step is to manage your time effectively. Balancing a job and a business requires careful planning and discipline. Since your time is limited, you need to prioritize tasks that directly contribute to growing your business. Set aside specific hours each week dedicated solely to your side hustle and treat this time with the same importance as your full-time job. You might need to sacrifice some leisure activities in the short term, but the payoff will be worth it in the long run. Use tools like time blocking or productivity apps to stay organized and maximize your efficiency during these dedicated hours. Outsourcing and automation are also critical components of building a six-figure business while working full-time. You can't do everything yourself, especially when your time is already stretched. Identify tasks that can be outsourced, such as social media management, customer support, or even content creation. There are plenty of freelancers and virtual assistants available who can handle these tasks, allowing you to focus on high-impact areas like strategy, sales, and growth. Additionally, automate processes wherever possible, whether it's scheduling posts, automating emails, or setting up e-commerce systems that handle orders and payments. This will free up more of your time and allow your business to run smoothly even when you're not directly involved. Focus on consistent growth rather than trying to scale too quickly. While it might be tempting to try to grow your business as fast as possible, doing so can lead to burnout or mistakes that could damage your business in the long term. Instead, focus on building a solid foundation and scaling steadily. Set realistic growth goals for each quarter and assess what's working and what's not. Whether it's growing your customer base, increasing revenue, or improving your processes, gradual growth will help ensure that your business remains sustainable as it scales. Leveraging your current job to fund your business is another smart strategy. One of the biggest challenges entrepreneurs face is raising capital. Since you have a full-time job, you have a steady stream of income that can help finance your business in its early stages. Instead of relying on loans or investors, use a portion of your paycheck to cover initial expenses. This reduces the pressure on your business to turn a profit immediately and gives you the flexibility to make better long-term decisions without the fear of running out of cash. Networking and building relationships with other entrepreneurs is an essential part of your growth journey. Attend business events, join online communities, and connect with mentors who can offer guidance and advice. Surrounding yourself with people who are on a similar path or who have already achieved what you're aiming for will provide you with valuable insights and support. Plus, these connections can lead to collaboration opportunities, referrals, or partnerships that can accelerate your business growth. Lastly, know when it's time to transition. As your business grows, you may reach a point where your side hustle demands more of your time than your full-time job allows. At this stage, you'll need to decide whether it's time to leave your job and focus entirely on your business. Before making the leap, ensure that your business generates enough income to support you and that you have a clear growth plan in place. Making a calculated decision, rather than an emotional one, will help ensure your success in the long run. Building a six-figure business without quitting your job is entirely possible, but it requires careful planning, hard work, and strategic execution. By choosing the right business model, managing your time wisely, and leveraging outsourcing and automation, you can grow your side hustle into a thriving full-time venture, all while maintaining the stability of your current job. With persistence and focus, your dream of running a successful business can become a reality.